Hello and welcome back to HD Sign Design WSYWYG tutorials. We've gone ahead and set up a menu. We've went ahead and completely designed a menu. And so now we're ready to publish. Now we're ready to go live. Now we're ready to put this baby up to the cloud. But before we do that, there's definitely some things we want to go over. We're going to revise the page properties. We're going to confirm the size. We're going to preview one more time. We're going to input our credentials. We're going to test it out, and then we're going to do a final publish. And then we should be live, up and running, HD Sign Design. All right, well, as you can see here, along with your information package, you're going to be receiving a Microsoft Word document that's going to contain all your credentials to log into your cloud. All this information is very, very important because we're eventually going to need it to publish so that we can publish directly from WSYWYG correctly to the correct cloud. All right, so let's go back over to WSYWYG, and the first thing we want to do is we want to check our page properties. Right click, go over to the site manager, right click on index, go down to page properties, click, and there's some things you want to confirm. You want to confirm the title. In this case, we called it the HD Sign Design Burgers menu. Okay. My page width, in this case, it's horizontal, so I want it to be 1280 by 720. You always have to confirm this because as you're editing throughout the editing process, your sizes and your ratios will change. So make sure you have 1280 by 720. Then make sure you're still centered horizontally and vertically. Then click OK. Now we've gone ahead and went into page properties, confirm the size, and we want to go ahead and preview one more time. We just want to preview and make sure that everything we're looking at is still correct. It's still everything we wanted, and boom, pretty much bingo. We can hear the music. We can hear it all kind of happen. So I'm happy. I'm ready to publish. So now that I've confirmed my preview, my next step that I want to do is I want to go back into my credentials, which is the document that I mentioned earlier. It's going to become very important to publish. So then we're going to go ahead and click publish. As you can see, this opens up our publish dialog box. Okay, then we want to go ahead and click edit. Inside the type, we want to click FTP. And the description, in this case, is HD hamburgers. In the URL, go ahead and reference back your credentials. In this case, my URL is this, dmbcali.com/test1. I go ahead, copy paste right in here. Now my host will always be dmbcali. Okay. Now you go over to your username. We go back over to our credentials. Here's our username, HD6 dmbcali. And then here we go. Goes in the username. Then we go to password. Copy paste password. Place it in here. Preview if needed. And always, 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 always make sure that your remote folder has a / indication. Okay? Once you've gone ahead and correctly placed that information in there, you're going to run a test. By clicking test, you will see that it'll actually notify you whether you're successfully connected to the FTP server. In this case, we received a successful notification that we're actually connected. So now that we've gone ahead and gone into our page properties, confirmed the size, we've previewed it, and we've entered all the correct information for the publishing, all the username and all the password, and we went ahead and tested the connection and verified, we want to do a final publish. In order to do that, you just come over here to the button and you hit publish. There you go. You're going to see this dialog box essentially start to upload your menu to the cloud. Now, when it completes done, you're completely done. Now at this point, the only final step to do is to go over to your television system, to your HD Sign Design digital signage system, turn your televisions on or off, or turn the power that's deemed to the devices on or off. What this will do, this will restart the system and will then force the system to go to the upload and download the most recent change, which is this file. Now, once you've correctly published this file to the cloud and you've gone ahead and turned your television off and on, give it a few seconds, the new file will be downloaded, and voila.